Alright, maiden flight today of my Manta version 3. This was built using the Kapaki wings, trimmed down, and building a custom fuselage with the air intake in the front there, and 2 exits at the rear. Running a 2216 2000 kV motor and a 7x4 prop. Got plenty of push on this one. Should be quite fast and aerobatic. Wings have a huge chord on them, so they do create a lot of lift as well. So I've built this fuselage in the shape of that airfoil as well. So I'm hoping it'll fly great. Maiden flight, always a bit of nerves with maiden flights. A bit of gusty, windy today, but good to launch into some wind like that. And we've got some long grass to catch it in case things go wrong. Here we go. Whoa, wind's picking up. Let's get up there with the Manta version 3. Oh, straight up. Not an issue at all. Keep it nice and close. What the hell? No, so far no trims, but gee, it's going to be fast. I'm pulling this back. Those throws look alright.